What is up, guys? What is going on? Welcome back to another video with Deja. In today's video, we're gonna be spray painting these hydro dip Crocs. I'm super excited. I'm gonna be using this spray paint. There's not that much left. It says you can use it on plastic, wood, metal, and more. This would be a good application for this. So behind me, you can see I made this box so that we can do this on the inside of the house because it's been raining and storming for the last 2 days. So I'm just gonna do it right there, as you can see, and spray paint it from here. I'm ready to do what I do. Tell me what you wanna do. Shoot your shot 'cause I'm bulletproof.
Original and brand spanking new.
I'm ready to do what I do. Okay guys, so I did run out of paint, not gonna lie. Okay, so I'm gonna put some footage here on the screen, and that's what I'm talking about. There is just some pieces that I've had to I basically missed, but also it's at a weird angle and it's not dry yet, so I couldn't touch it. I'm gonna let it dry probably for the next, what time is it? It's 8:10 currently. Probably gonna cook some dinner, and then I'm going to come back and check on them. Okay guys, it's the next day and I decided to just come on and get the new spray paint because I want this to look really good. I'm actually planning to wear these black ones and I don't want them to look, you know, trash and not done properly. And I'm also gonna grab acetone for a future video that's coming up. So yeah, let's go ahead and head into Walmart. We're here now. Let's just go ahead and get what we need so we can get out of here. And also my hair is starting to look bad. It's time for a redo, but that's another video coming up soon. So yeah, let's just go ahead and handle this and we'll be back at home to do what we need to do. This one right here. This was the right one, right?
I believe so. Oh, you forgot that fast.
Yeah. Okay, so I just want to say something. If you guys want to do this as well, there's so many colors that you could choose for. You don't have to get black. I just want black. You want to spray paint your Crocs? My boyfriend's been annoying. There's so many colors you can choose from. Like, look, even right here. You can spray paint your Crocs any color you want to. We got the black spray paint, and then we got this acetone. So let's get out of here because I don't like Walmart. I don't know. Okay. Alrighty guys, so we are back home. We're at my little setup that I made yesterday. If you remember, let me show you guys. Boop. So we're sitting here and I am about to start. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. We have a little bit of paint I need to get here. And then this looks pretty good right here. I probably need to go over, yeah, like look at that. You can see like a little bit of blue peeking through there and there. And then these didn't get painted good at all. So like you see, but then you look over here, got a little white on the edge. So they're definitely not, you know, it's definitely nowhere near perfect. So I think we're gonna start here first. I need to get under. So we're gonna come at an angle like that. All right, we're gonna let that dry. We're gonna work on this one. All right, so we're just gonna let that dry. Now we gotta work on these bad boys. I think I might let that dry. I did get my hands a little dirty. And I'm gonna look at my videos because I know we filmed the short yesterday, but I don't remember like how done it is. I'm gonna go eat some lunch or prep dinner. Babe, you took out the beef. He took out the beef? Yeah. Thank you. I'm gonna try to get this off before it gets stuck. Okay, so I have the back up. Can you see? Boop. I have it on the back so that we can go ahead and spray paint it and get the back. This is how it's looking so far. Everything looks so good. So now I'm about to spray paint this. I really hope this is not getting on the wall. Just trying to make sure it's not. Jesus. Let's get away before we die. That is very strong. Hello guys, so it's 9:52. It's a couple of hours later. I don't even know when we last talked, but like I just got out of my shower, just did my skincare, and I came up here and I was like, I did my hygiene too. I just came up here and like it was dry from when I last did it, and I just wanted to touch up like little spots that might have gotten missed. Yeah, it looks good though. Like look at that. It looks like it was legit. I spray painted back here, so I don't want to touch back there. It legit looked like a black croc, like it was black at first. Of course the inside is going to be white because I didn't want the inside to be sticky if the spray paint was like had this little sticky film to it. So I was like, I'm just gonna keep it white. Nobody really won't know I'll be wearing socks and stuff like that. All I did was if I saw a white spot, spray painted it. You only need one can, guys. This can was like already almost gone, and it got me through most of the shoe. If I would have had like a little bit more, I would have been good. And I did get the ultra matte version. Now I know they had glossy in there and stuff like that, but I just know that Crocs don't really have like a glossy look to it. It really has that matte look, and honestly I love the matte black look anyway, so that's what I went for. And these just look so good. They look like they were legit black when I got them. Like look at this looks so good, and it feels really good except for the parts where I sprayed earlier. That kind of feels like kind of tacky, but this, do you see how I'm rubbing my hand across versus like maybe here? See, well, I don't know if you can tell, but I can feel the difference. This is more smooth and this is more like, it still has a little wetness to it. Good morning guys, I am back. Everything looks really good. Oh man, some of the bottom paint came off. I forgot I set it down last night after spraying it. Okay, that was dumb of me. Okay guys, so the shoes are complete. Here they are. We came across a really big situation, and that is because I spray painted the bottom, the grip is gone. So lesson learned for me, don't spray paint the bottom. I'm still gonna wear these. I tried wearing them downstairs on hardwood floor, and it had a little slip to them, but I think I'll be able to, I think I'll be okay. I think it'll be much better outside. Now once I go into these stores, that might be a little different. So yeah, don't spray paint the bottom. Just let it be whatever color your Crocs are. So if you made it this far in this video, you got a really good tip that, you know, I was not able to give everybody else because I didn't know. Are you guys okay with me, you know, showing you my new Crocs in my pajamas? This is me testing out my new Crocs. And guys, I walked on a little slippery floor. It's not that bad, but yeah, I think these are really nice. They look so good on my feet. Overall, it looks really good. Do I expect this to crack? I really don't know. I might do an update video. I don't know how it's gonna hold up. It is spray paint and I am constantly gonna be wearing them. So I do expect it to crack a little bit, but if you do, I got some more spray paint. We're gonna hit it again. I'm gonna show you me walking on the floor in the bathroom so you can see like the walk and if I'm sliding a little bit. So here's the down view. Yeah, they're so cute. You can't even see like the inside or how it's white. Well, okay guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you enjoyed this whole process. It was really fun to make. I enjoyed making this video. Bye guys.